Our indoor space is exposed to various air pollutants. Our strong air purifying system Coway's world-class supercapacity air purifier. Powerful and reliable 5-step filtration system. A pre-filter removing large dust. A medium filter filtering various kinds of dust and hair. A customized anti-oil mist filter has a more than 95% oil mist removal rate. A powerful deodorization filter removes toxic gas and smell. An anti-flu HEPA filter removes 99.99% of harmful bacteria, viruses, and H1N1 influenza, as well as fine dust particles. Smartness makes more power. This is 100% of a Coway product made and assembled in Coway facilities in Korea. A swing grill sways back and forth to smoothly circulate air. You can take care of a wide space with this just one unit. A dust and odor detecting sensor automatically optimizes air quality. There is a smart indicator that measures and displays the real-time level of indoor pollution by steps. Silent mode is automatically turned on when a light sensor detects darkness. Take care of your health with the Coway's world-class supercapacity air purifier through Coway filtration system. You can use it in diverse places such as schools, hospitals, and cafes. Experience Coway's greatest capacity air purifier in the world.